Hey girls, I just wanted to send out a quick video to discuss the golf tournament for this year and introduce the golf tournament to our new sisters, as well as explain how we're going to do sponsorships for this year. Just to kind of give some background information for our new sisters, each year in the spring, KE hosts a golf tournament, and this year is going to be our 8th annual golf tournament. It's our biggest fundraiser for KE, and because it is our biggest thing, it requires a lot of effort and a lot of work from our sisters. And so coming out soon, we're going to have our signups for what each girl is going to be responsible for the golf tournament. And so I figured it'd be easier for me to kind of explain it instead of you having to read all these different documents and make this a little more interactive, or at least me just talking to you in terms of interactive and more fun. So I guess I'll go ahead and get started and tell you all about the different sponsorships. The golf tournament is going to be in the spring. It's going to be on Friday, April 5th. It's at the Preserve at Lake Jordan, which is where it's been previously, which is in Durham, so it's really not that far away. Like I said, it's the biggest fundraiser for KE, and it's only made possible with the help of all our sisters that come and work together. So I know some of the older sisters are probably rolling their eyes at me, saying, I hate this, I don't want to do this, but we've really changed some things around this year to make it easier and more equal in terms of what each sister is responsible for. So I'm going to explain that in just a minute. In terms of what each girl is responsible for, so on Monday, Rebecca is going to send out a Sign Up Genius, and at 9 p.m., so look in your email at 9 p.m., and we'll be signing up for sponsorships, to get raffle prizes, to sign up golfers, or to sell additional t-shirts. And I'll go into each one of these in just a minute. But in addition to signing up for one of these 4 categories, each sister is going to be responsible for selling 2 t-shirts, one of which you will wear and one of which you can either sell to your boyfriend, your mom, your dad, your pharmacist. I've heard of people that when they get donations, if it's someone that they know or a company, they have bought the shirt themselves and given it as a thank you, especially if a company's logo is going to be, or name is going to be on the t-shirt. It's kind of a nice thing to do. Because the t-shirts, it's not a huge cost as a nice thank you. So every sister is going to be responsible for selling 2 t-shirts in addition to what we're going to sign up for on Monday. So in the past, we've had 18 girls sign up to get $150 whole sponsors. And I don't want anyone to kind of be thrown back by these numbers because a lot of times we're going to go out and ask companies who budget in terms of charitable donations, because all of the donations that they'll give are tax deductible. We do have a tax ID number that we can give to companies, and that'll be on one of the forms that we will give to the companies. And all this will be posted on Sakai. You'll have access to it in terms of a letter to present to the company or whoever you're talking to in a form for them to fill out so we can get their information. Because later, after the golf tournament, we will send thank you notes, and we just want to make sure that we have the right address and the right information from them as well. So this year what we're doing is we're going to have 45 sisters. So you're probably thinking, do we have 45 sisters? Actually, we have 85 sisters once our new sisters get inducted in 2 weeks, 1.5 weeks. Yeah. So 45 sisters are going to sign up for sponsorships. And it's kind of a funky way we're doing this. So like I said in the past, different girls have signed up for $150 sponsorships, up to $650 sponsorships. This year we're going to have 45 girls sign up for all of these sponsorships, and when you go and talk to companies, we're going to have on a form the range that is offered to them. And we realized that we kind of wanted to change this because a lot of times we go to companies and we're only asking for $150 when in reality they could offer a lot more. So we want to give them the opportunity to choose. We're going to put the highest number on the top of this form that they're going to see with the most perks and the most advertisement of their company, and go down from there. It may be that 45 companies only do $150, but we feel that at the time right now it would be better to have 45 $150 sponsors than only 18 $150 and no larger sponsors. So our goal obviously is to get a lot more of the higher sponsors, but if we can get 45 $150 sponsors, that's great as well. And everything will be laid out in a form that we'll post as well in terms of how much they have to donate to get their name on the t-shirt, how much they have to donate to get their logo on the t-shirt, certain price points will get their name on a golf cart, certain price points will sponsor a golf what's the word I'm looking for? Like the longest drive, or a putting contest. So I guess contest. The $650, a lunch sponsor. So different prices, and this will be laid out, like I said, on the form that you'll show them. So hopefully that their eyes will go to the top and say, oh my gosh, I get so much advertisement for this top one. I have $650 we can donate to a charitable cause. Well, why not do that? So we're going to try this out this year. If a lot of girls are going out and like over 18 girls are getting $150 sponsors, just let us know, just so we can kind of keep an idea. We will have a sign up where you can sign up and say where you've talked to, so we're not going to all the same places. We'll also have a script, so we've come up with a script of what you can talk about when you go ask for donations. I know in the past a lot of girls get there and kind of hesitate when they're asked, well, what all do you do? Well, I know the first thing we're going to think of is, oh, we have socials, we have semi-formals and formals, but we are a service-based organization, and we are nationally known to promote women in pharmacy. And so we do have a mission that is different from being social. So we're really going to emphasize that mission in promoting women in pharmacy, the service events we do, the professional developments thing we do, because that's where a lot of our money and our budget goes to, is just sending girls to our national conference. And being able to reimburse sisters for going to different meetings, either locally or nationally. And so that's something we can definitely expand on and explain why why we do fundraisers like this. So 45 girls, sorry, I'm getting off track here. So 45 girls were signed up for the sponsorships. The next kind of category that you can sign up for, we're going to have 15 sisters sign up to get 3 raffle prizes. We'll also have a letter you can present to the company as well as the form, but you will have to get 3 raffle prizes. Kind of think in terms of, yes, there will be females there, but golf is predominantly male, at least in the past our golf tournament has been. So while maybe a spa is a very nice gift card, we don't want to have every raffle, or a spa gift card is a very nice raffle prize. We want to think of like some kind of maybe sporting goods stores, golf stores in terms of raffle prizes. We want to think both locally and a little bit more regionally, because there are people that are traveling to come to our golf tournament. So yeah, it may be a great reason to come back if a dad wins and he can come visit his daughter. But just think about, we don't want everything to be right here directly in Chapel Hill. Restaurants are great options, and we'll come up with a list of these. And I've been thinking of different places to differentiate between raffle prizes for the 5K and raffle prizes for the golf tournament, because they are very different events, but we are asking for donations for both. So we're going to kind of differentiate different places that we can go and ask, because obviously the 5K is fully charitable donation, and so that's kind of different in terms of asking for that than it is for our 5K, and also different kind of levels as well. So 15 girls will sign up for their 3 raffle prizes. 15 girls are going to sign up to recruit teams of 4 golfers. And I really want you to think about, don't just sign up for this if you don't want to go talk to a company and ask for a donation, because really think about if you know golfers that will be in the area and are interested in golfing, or maybe your dad or uncle or brother have come before, this will be something to sign up for. So really think about, will I be able to get 4 golfers? This is on a Friday. Will they be able to take off work? Have they expressed interest? I know you don't have much time before we sign up, but kind of maybe scope them out. Would you want to come in April and play this golf tournament? Again, we really are counting on our golfers coming. So this is a very important thing for girls to sign up for if they're able to fill the spot. So 10 girls are going to sign up to sell additional t-shirts. And so in addition to the 2 that every girl has to sell, they'll sell an additional 6 for a total of 8 t-shirts. And so think about, for the girls that don't like going out and talking to anyone, or aren't very comfortable about explaining what all KE does and why we do this golf tournament, but maybe your family is really interested and willing to buy some t-shirts, then that they can't help out in another area or can't come to golf, but they'll be willing to help you out with that. Think about that, because you will have to buy 8 total t-shirts if you can't sell them. So definitely think about that. Let me check down through here. So like I said, we'll send out a breakdown of everything. I think the biggest difference this year is the sponsorships in terms of the whole sponsorship, the cart sponsorship. So again, we're going to go out asking for donations and really kind of hope and challenge them to do the higher amounts, understanding that the lowest amount they would do if they accept would be $150 sponsorship, which would be a whole sponsorship, and they wouldn't get necessarily all the perks of having their name on a t-shirt, their logo, anything like that. Any sponsor will have their name on the brochure, but the more they pay, they'll get their name on different items that golfers will see throughout the course. So the last thing I just wanted to mention, please remember that you are responsible for what you sign up for. I know I've told you a lot of information tonight, and for some of you, this is kind of coming as like a whirlwind of information and thinking, we'll have to do what? But like I said earlier, KE really functions. We get a lot of our funding from this golf tournament, and it does take a lot of hard work, but it is very rewarding to be able to do everything we do and have a solid budget like we do and Represent the Pharmacy School will. So please, if you have questions, have any trouble, we definitely want to know. We're here for you. And so, like I mentioned, if you have any questions, feel free to talk to me or Rebecca. I know Rebecca has been working very hard on this, setting up the golf tournament. We're trying to make this as easy and as fair for every sister, so no one's kind of getting the short end of the stick in anything they're signing up for. So look for the email that Rebecca's going to send out on Monday at 9 o'clock to sign up on the Sign Up Genius for different kind of responsibilities. Definitely think about what you're interested in and really where you could help out. So we'll send out, and more information will be posted in terms of deadlines. We'd like to have all the sponsorships by the end of January. So the holidays are a really great time to be going out and talking to companies. So during Thanksgiving, during Christmas, definitely go out, especially at the end of the year. Companies are very willing to donate if they have leftover funds. So yeah, if anyone has any questions, please let me know, and I hope you'll have a great night. Thanks.